So my dear friends, finally we are now touching the ocean floor, and these are the rocks from very close angle, and I would recommend that everybody must come here. This is such a beauty. You feel so natural because this is naked nature, you know. Look at this, the people, they are enjoying, and you can see the structure that they have constructed here. From these to see the people, they can see the rocks from closer angle, and I'll be looking for this, that you can have a glimpse of these rocks. Here the people, this is inner angle, you can see from top, and then this is one of the beautiful thing that you can watch. Look at the people, they are kayaking. This is kayaking. Yeah, great. So what a beautiful scene. Yes. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm just sharing with you some of the glimpses from very close angle. These are the rocks, ocean rocks, and when the tides are like up tides, then the ocean water that goes up to that extent. So this was some of the glimpses that you can see here from here, and this is ocean. The water is muddy, and this is the rocks. So now let us see it from another angle. So this is one of the top tourist attraction here. The people, they come and they enjoy these rocks. So I would invite you to come here and have this great spectacular beauty, and look at the scene. Yeah.